Hello, welcome back. You seriously need to see this best 4K mini sport. It has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it feels solid and premium. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: they are selling out fast. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.